Hi, this is Jacob. This is my Chick-fil-A cup. This is my bike check. So, starting off with the grips, we got the Odyssey Tom Dugan grips. Hate them.
How do you feel about them?
They're awful.
Why?
Because you get, okay, I sweat a lot, and the instant you get any sweat on them, they come off instantly. Got Odyssey par ends.
How do you feel?
They're par ends. They last. They're good.
But are they up to par?
They up. We got these handlebars. Daily Grind 4-piece bars. They're fucking good. They make your bar spins go zoom zoom. Like, look at this back sweep. No back sweep. Literally like riding a broomstick. Cut them down to 28. It's good. It's solid.
For now.
For now. It might crack. Holding those in place, we got a Sunday Freeze stem.
What is this color?
It was supposed to be polished, but I haven't touched it since I put it on. So
Like crusty.
it's $30 and it lasts a lifetime, so it's good. It's solid. We have a BSD headset.
Yeah.
And they're around Mutiny short wand forks.
Short wand?
I think they're one forks. They have the long and the short. I got the short, the 28 offset. They're forks. Then we got a frame.
A frame.
A frame.
Can you specify?
It's a Subrosa Noster S from like I think 2017. It's fucking good. It's light. I really like it. Fucking, I had a piece of shit Stranger before. Terrible. I hated it. Awful. Hate Stranger. I think, is it Rich Hirsch? Hate him. And shoved in with a bunch of grease is our GT seat poster, my 2015 GT Performer 20-inch.
This is the oldest part.
Oldest part I'll ever have. Some people think it's polished. Some people think I tried to raw it and just did a really shitty job. It was actually my bent seat post.
It's actually just that old.
Yeah, it's actually that old.
Where he's had it from
ants
like...
actually ate the paint off.
Are you gonna have that forever? Or are you gonna get a new one?
We're gonna have it forever until like...
You stop riding, or it cracks.
If it cracks, I'm still gonna run it. I mean, shit.
You're gonna weld it.
It's not Stranger. It's not gonna crack 3 times. We got a Shadow Trey Jones Jesco. See, Rip Jesco pouring out for the homie. Yeah.
So, do you want to explain what happened to your Stranger frame?
So basically, right here, cracked. I thought it was
So did right here.
So did right here. But here, I thought it was just a paint chip. But it was cracked. I checked after I cracked this. There's a crack there, and I'm pretty sure there's a crack like over here or something. It's a Stranger. I mean, what can I say?
How strange.
Very strange. It's the strangest thing. Pardons.
What next?
Slap bracelet, Shark edition. Got it from
Zoomies?
Drug Mart, actually.
Drug Mart.
Drug Mart. See, you can slap it and it stays on.
Slap it on the frame?
It actually, because of where it's placed, it makes me spin faster. But right under that, we also got another BSD
component.
Yeah, component. Bearings.
Bearings.
They're bearings.
They make no difference.
They're all made the same place. Just buy the cheapest ones you can find. Daily Grind 28 tooth guard sprocket, solid guard sprocket. Daily Grind support Dayton. Oh shit. We got Primo Churchills in 165s. They're solid. They're actually really fucking solid. Like, you go from 175 to 165s, you spin so much faster. You think it would be the smallest difference, but it's really not. KMC cool chain got for free, gang. We got a Federal Stance cassette. Funny story. This shouldn't be a cassette. I meant to buy a coaster, but I'm stupid and I bought a cassette on accident. But when I was looking back, it was like $10 cheaper. So I mean, it's good. Got BSD spokes. BSD. We got Cinema 333 rim, literally worst rim money can buy you.
And are we able to take the detail? You bought that wheel and within 2 weeks broke a spoke.
I broke 2 spokes actually. And no, not in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Once I bought it, I broke my front spoke, which
Yes.
you can see it's gone, weight reduction.
So what's your front wheel? We never went over that.
Oh, it's like a Cinema ZX or some. I'm pretty sure it says it actually.
Yeah. ZX.
Yeah, it's ZX. I mean, it's a front wheel. You're gonna be okay.
It's really on its way out.
That's only because I ran 14mm forks before this.
Okay, so can you see it right now? Like,
Yeah, you can see the little gap.
so
Yeah.
there's a gap between like the cone and the fork. That's because Jacob ran 14mm dropout forks, and the cone pulled, and the axle, like the inner part, pulled through the cone, and now it sticks out.
It's fine. It's okay.
It got to a point where his wheel didn't spin.
We got. It's funny 'cause it's true. We got 4 Odyssey JPEGs. He always gives me shit for running 4 pegs, but it's good. It's the life.
No pegs, for now. Probably 2 at some point.
Claw decoder tires. Funny fact. Something weird about these tires. Kind of quirky. They're 2.3s. These are 2.3s. This is what is it recording
Okay,
now?
so Jacob has a 2.3 E-Clat Dakota tire. I have 2.25 Mirage tires. Mine are so much bigger.
They're small.
2.25,
Okay.
2.3.
Okay. We have pedals.
We do.
We do have pedals. They're Odyssey PC Pros.
Sponsored by who?
Sponsored by the owner himself. Hi, Jace. He has a completely different bike now, even though he's on someone else's.
You should go check his bike check.
Check it. He's blonde, peaking 180.
First try Indian.
There's also coming to the most important part of my bike, matching the entire color scheme.
Valve caps.
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's. Sponsored.
Like these valve caps can go on anything. They can go on your bike if they're any color. They can go on my car. I don't know if you can see my car from there. The black car. Yeah, the black one. See, they can go on anything. They match with everything. And also, if you aren't running a chain, you can't tell, but it slaps.
If you aren't running a chain.
If you aren't running a chain that doesn't slap, then what are you doing? That's my bike check.